Guess what? Spring has sprung, but snow is falling in South Africa. But it's bad on the roads because lots of cars, lots of people are stuck on the roads. If you look at the KZN area of Ladysmith, Escort, if you look at those kind of areas, it's bad. It's congestion after congestion. Cars are stuck on the road because of the ice, because of the snow. They can't move. The highway is closed going into the KZN areas, and lots of highways are closed actually. If you look at the areas of the Eastern Cape, Drakensberg Mountains, Northern KwaZulu-Natal, Eastern Free State, and Southern Mpumalanga, these areas are experiencing massive snow, and it doesn't look like it's stopping anytime soon. Some people have been stuck on the roads for more than 12 to 24 hours. Some haven't eaten, some have finished their food, some are tired, some just want to get home, some are irritated. Like, we don't know what could be going on in those cars where people are stuck on the road for more than 12 to 24 hours. I just hope the government can send some emergency services to come and help these people, because it must be painful. It's not nice to be stuck on the road for 2 days or for 3 days, because this looks like it can go for the entire weekend, and these people will be stuck on the road for the whole weekend. Because when I check the weather, it looks like this whole weekend we're gonna have snow and cold weather across the country. So what is the government going to do about this? It's just unfortunate that South Africa, because we are not a country that always experience snow and all that, so we don't really have the equipment that is needed to clear the roads so that these roads can be open so that the traffic can move. But right now it's gridlock across all the areas that are severely affected. It's bad. It's really bad. And or maybe they can just send the SANDF or soldiers, trusted soldiers, to go and help. But it looks like there's so many people, there's so many cars on the roads, there's so many people that are stuck on the roads. How are they going to help them? Maybe they can send, maybe if they send in helicopters and whatever. I don't know what they're going to do. I don't know what the government is going to do. I don't know what the emergency service is going to do. And also if they were prepared for this kind of eventuality, that even though they issued a warning for people to travel with caution and advise people to stay at home if it's not necessary to travel, but there people are stuck on the road, and now we have people that are stuck on the road, then we have to deal with them. It's just unfortunate that they find themselves there. Imagine getting stuck on the road. Now you need to use the restroom. There's no restroom. Probably some people don't even have jerseys or warm clothes or blankets in their cars. Maybe some people don't even have enough fuel, because during this time, if you are stuck on the road like this, you need to keep the heater on in the car. And for you to keep the heater on, it means the engine must be running. But right now, because the engine is running, but you don't have enough fuel, what's going to happen? What's going to happen to these people? I feel bad for these people that are stuck on the road. I just hope the government of the GNU can do some GNU magic and send in some emergency services to come and help people that are stuck on the road. I feel like this is a matter of emergency before anyone dies, because there are possibilities that we can have someone losing their lives because of the fact that probably they didn't have enough warm clothing in the car, or the car ran out of fuel, so they can't keep the car on and the heater on. Then anything can happen. How do you go out and now try to get a sandwich? There's nowhere to go and buy sandwich here. It's all gridlock. It's in the bushes. It's on the road. There's no way out. Government need to do something. It's a matter of emergency. So yes, it's not normal for us to get snow and all that. We don't have those snow plowing trucks that we see in Canada and all these snow-riddled countries. South Africa doesn't have those kind of trucks to come and clear the roads and open the traffic, because right now people are stuck, and we just fear that people can lose their lives. But hey, why do we have snow in South Africa right now? I mean, it's spring. Why are we having snow? I'm hearing that it's because of the cold front that we're having a snow. It's because of the cold front that we have snow. and it might even extend to areas of Gauteng. So if you're in Gauteng, don't think you are spared, but I'll advise everybody to keep warm and stay indoors if it's not necessary. But what could be this signaling in terms of the future weather conditions in the country going into summer? Are we going to have a wet summer? Does it mean we're going to have a very cold and wet summer? I don't know. You guys can tell me. But I'm just scared. I'm fearful of the people that are stuck on the roads in those cars, because it doesn't look like there's any emergency services going in there to help them. Not even a helicopter. I haven't seen anything, but hopefully they will get assistance. Legere mina. Salute. Minga tetimate.